Alright, this is the final video of my 2019 Chevy Impala install. And this is the switch I was referring to that I put in, so that way I can control my subs. Because if I didn't, the car would do a weird noise canceling like sound that goes through your car. So to control that, I turn my amp off with this because it's the remote wire. But when I turn it on, I can play the music. Alright, so yeah, it sounds really loud and everything, and it does bang, but the thing is, I like to play mine loud, so I tuned it for being loud, for the amp in general. Unlock the door. Ended up, mine's on the back seat, right here, about as clean as possible. My only complaint is I wish I would have went a little higher on the seat, so that way when I close it, it's not, I guess, I'm not fully touching the bottom as you can see, but I don't know, it's all right. It's doable. The amp is not hot. I got my wires still tacked together like this, but hey, it doesn't have to go far. Now these can be, cleaned up a little nicer and everything, but I don't have no intentions of moving it, because these is the line out converter wires. Like I said, I extended them because I wanted room to actually change the actual sound for the subs. And for me to change that, it was like going up at the very top. There's no need when you can extend it with regular speaker wire. But yeah, end result turned out pretty nice. Don't mind the trunk is junky. So that's what's in there, and it's tapped off back there, and that's it.